To apply a bold marker effect to your photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Swipe the icon area to the left and then tap style. Next, swipe the style thumbnail section to the left until you find marker. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by dragging the slider below the style. The higher the intensity, the more bold and pronounced the stroke becomes. If you are happy with the result, tap Done button and then tap Save to save the change. As you can see, the marker effect has been added to your photo. As a note, this effect is perfect for adding a bold, artistic touch to your photos, making them look like hand-drawn illustration, whether you want to enhance social media posts, create unique profile pictures, or give your images a creative flair. This effect makes your photos stand out effortlessly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.